Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you about opacity or color transparency. So opacity ranges between 0 and 1. 0 means completely transparent or white color, and as it goes to a higher number, to 1, the color becomes bolder. So I also want to compare the difference between when you apply opacity using RGB and when you apply it as inline style. So let's dive in to show you this with the example. I have here 8 elements. I'm going to apply a background color using RGB for the first 4. So I want color red, so the rest are going to be 0. For the first item I want the opacity to be 10%. I'll copy to apply this for the other 3. This being the second item, I want this one to be 40%, and the third 60%. This is going to be to the third item, and the last one is going to be the 100%. Now the other 4 items I'm going to apply opacity property directly using inline style. So here style, opacity, I want this one to be 10%. Now this one 40%, this one 60%, and this one 100%. Now let's run this one and see the difference between the two. I want you to pay attention closely. What is the difference between the two? Now, okay, I need to apply a background color for the other 4. I have missed that. So here, deep element is H1. I'm going to apply background color red without opacity. So I'm going to remove the opacity. Okay, let's run this one and see it once more. Okay, now I want you to notice the difference between the two. The colors, the background color remains the same. However, if you can see the text on the first 4, the text is not affected by the opacity. On the later 4, you can see that the text has been fading. As we go from 1 down to 0 to 0.1, you can see the color, background color fades as well as the text also. So this is the difference between the two. If you have found this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.